How to change Shopify default weight unit from kilogram to pounds. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your weight unit in your Shopify store from kilogram to pounds. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and in the dashboard you can navigate to setting in the bottom left corner. You can click it. And then in the general, as you can see, you will find store defaults here, and you will find unit system. So basically in the metric system, you can choose either kilogram or gram. And if you change it from metric system to imperial system, you will have option to choose pounds or ounce. So you can change it to pounds here. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.